how to remix a reel on Instagram. To start, open the Instagram app and find the reel you want to remix. You can find reels on someone's profile, in your feed, or by browsing the Reels tab. If you want to remix your own reel, go to your profile, tap on the Reels tab, and select the reel you want to remix. Once you've opened the reel, look at the bottom right and tap on the three dots next to the Share button. This will open a menu with different options. If the creator has enabled remixing for this reel, you'll see an option that says Remix. Tap on that. Now you'll see the remix editing screen. Here, Instagram gives you different ways to remix the reel. The default option places your video side by side with the original reel, but you can also change it to a green screen effect or a reaction mode. If you want to add your own video to the remix, tap on the camera button to start recording. While recording, the original reel will play on one side of the screen and your video will be recorded at the same time. Once you've finished, tap the stop button, then tap Next to proceed. In the next screen, you can edit your remix by adding music, text, stickers, or additional effects. You can also trim your clip if needed. Once you're happy with your remix, tap Next again. This will take you to the final posting screen. Here, you can write a caption, add hashtags, tag people, and adjust sharing settings. If you want, you can also change whether your own reel can be remixed by others. Finally, tap Share, and your remix will be posted. Your followers will be able to see the original reel alongside your remix in their feed. That's how to remix a reel on Instagram.